Hello everyone, I'm about to show you an apartment building on Spruce Street, which is very close to the center city. There are a lot of restaurants and coffee shops in the area. The apartment building I want to show you is 1225 Spruce. This building has 6 units inside. I just got in, I'm on the first floor, and this is the hallway. When you get in, on your left hand side you have the mailbox and the fire system here. You have light all over the stairs. It goes up to the 4th floor, and on the first floor you have a place where you could put your trash, and it is through this door and through here. And this is where you keep your recycles and trash.
Okay, so now we made a second video that just came up to show you the slightly updated laundry area, and the audio that we used or made while creating this doesn't link up well, so I'm explaining now that it's an updated laundry area, and that's why it just made that not so clean cut to this video. Hope that was helpful.
And here you have washer and dryer. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Bye. And it is a 4-story building. I'm gonna show you the common area. Now later on I'll be showing you each units. I'm going up to the 2nd floor. 2nd floor has 2 units, which is 2R and 2F. And you have the 3rd floor, which only has 1 unit, which is 3F. And the last one, which is the 4th floor, will be on the top of this stair, and it is 4F. I just showed you the common area of the building. Later on my videos, I'll show you the inside of the unit. Thank you guys for watching. Hey everyone, I'm about to show you a 2-bedroom unit inside 1225 Spruce Street. The unit number is 2F, and it is a 1-bedroom unit with a huge, very big living area, and you have that open kitchen, an island, and also very nice sized bedroom all the way back there. Let's start from the living room. When you walk in, you'll see the hardwood floor, a very high ceiling, And on the right side you have big closet space. Actually, it's a deep closet space. See, and also you have this huge window, and behind that you could see the fire stairs. You have a shelf here. You have a non-working fireplace and an island. In a kitchen you have a gas oven, sink, a refrigerator, a lot of storage spaces, and also you have a microwave. Then another storage, I'm sorry, another closet here in the living room. Then you have this bathroom. Tile wall, tile floor, nice vanity here, toilet, deep bathtub, then the last room I want to show you is the bedroom. As you could see, the bedroom has a lot of natural light. There are two big windows, and you have a radiator for the heat, which is a central heat, and also the window unit for the AC. In this bedroom, you have two closets, one here, another one there, and then working fireplace here, and you'll be looking out to Spruce Street. This bedroom is actually very huge, a big bedroom. Very high ceiling. Alright everyone, I just showed you a one bedroom unit inside 1225 Spruce Street building. Thank you for watching.